When I tell people I made $80 an hour on line set with no degree of mine, they don't believe me. That notification right there, real PayPal cash. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B, where we talk about real ways to make money online, side hustles that actually work, and remote jobs that help.
Whether it's high pay or instant access, the key is to leverage these opportunities. Now is the time to scale up your success.
Before I show you my exact earnings, let's break down these two websites because understanding how they work is what turns them from side hustles into real money. Both of these are available in the US and most countries worldwide, and you can do them from your phone or laptop.
You can earn $80 in just 45 minutes. Visit Respondent.com to find out how you can maximize your time and income today.
Respondent.io is one of the highest paying online research platforms available right now. It connects everyday people, not just professionals, with real companies and researchers who pay for your insights. Here's how it works when you create a free account. You'll fill out a detailed profile. It asks about your background, interests, work experience, and daily habits. This helps the system match you with studies that fit you. There are three main types of projects on Respondent. Consumer research. Companies ask about things like shopping, travel, or tech habits. Business-to-business research for freelancers, entrepreneurs, or people with specific job experience. Healthcare studies. If you've had medical experiences or take certain medications, you can qualify for higher paying sessions. Most projects are video calls or online surveys that take 30 to 60 minutes. The pay ranges from $50 to $250 per session, depending on the topic. And yes, you can do multiple projects per week. I've personally seen listings like $80 for a 45-minute call and $120 for 1-hour product feedback.
Next is the 1Q app, the fastest instant pay app I've used. You get simple questions like, do you prefer online or in-store shopping?
Now let's talk about the 1Q app, my go-to for fast, easy money. This app pays you instantly to PayPal every time you answer a question. There's no waiting period, no minimum payout, and no gimmicks. Download the 1Q app, create a profile, and answer a few setup questions about your interests, shopping habits, and demographics. Then, when a company wants your opinion, you'll get a push notification with one quick question. Things like, do you prefer shopping online or in-store? Which fast food chain do you visit most often? Most questions pay between 25 cents and $1, but they come often, especially if you keep notifications on and your profile updated over time. This adds up fast. I call it my coffee and gas money app. You won't get rich off 1Q alone, but paired with Respondent, it becomes an excellent daily stacker. Quick payouts from 1Q plus big lump sums from Respondent.
Here's how you turn these two into income. Start the week with Respondent. Those $80 projects are your main paydays. Use 1Q daily for small stacks of instant cash. So if you're ready to start earning real money online in 2025, no degree, no scams, G, the links are below. If that's your vibe, make sure you subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.